Hi boys and girls, so I have my alphabet soup here with my spoon. So we are going to pick out some letters and say the sounds these letters make. Let me pick up one here. What's this? This is a letter F, very good. And what sound does it make? Great job. What's this letter? It is a W, and the W says wa. Great job. This is the letter J, and J says J. Can you guys see this one? It's not very dark. Very good. That's the letter M, and M says Can you guys say What's that letter? Letter R, and R says Can't pick any up. What letter's that? Very good. That is an I, and I says I. M says I think we already did an M. Whoop. G says G. D says D. And last one, letter A, and A says ah. Very good, boys and girls. Bye.